Alright, if you are here for the first time, remember to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys can be notified when we upload brand new content. We are at 50,000 subscribers and I want to say thank you to everybody that has been following the channel and have been supporting us. Alright, so a quick notification for you guys. This video that you're about to watch, we have two parts, part 1 and part 2. We're going to put part 1 on Richard Brown Films and part 2 will be put on our brand new channel, Jamaican. Now you're going to want to watch the entire film, so you have to head over to that channel and watch the entire video. Alright? Also, when you head over there, please, we want to make sure that channel start booming right away. So remember, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content. We'll be uploading content on Richard Brown Films and we'll be uploading content on Jamaican. Alright? Bless upon yourself and thank you very much.
You're the type of boy that every girl wants to meet. But what the hell I'm for the house when you start with them in the streets? My youth, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl I'm so rough? Oh no. Hey, why you're dangerous? Why you dealing with them girl I'm so rough?
Where I go? Where I go?
Me tired of you, me done. Me a go
Where you talk about?
my business.
Let's talk about tired of me.
Make me go on now.
Yo.
Me tired of you, you beating on them something them. Me tired.
Yo.
Put me down, make me go on about my business. Leave me alone, make me go on now.
So where you go?
Down the road, me a go. Me see you look more.
So for have a name.
Yo, relax yourself. If me say me soon come, me soon fall.
Sit down!
Let me go on about my business.
Sit up! You don't go nowhere. You tell her about to ramp with me now. Don't ramp, yo. Me a chat to you, look at them face. I chat to you, look for me. Don't ramp with me. Boy, yeah. See, little girl. Go ramp with man. Yo.
Brother,
Yo.
my pre.
You know somebody else's?
They do. They just say fear be a come go down here, right, Mago?
Why I even know you know?
You don't know.
No, so.
Nah, tell a lesson, I have one pretty face, but I'm not trust I have one devious look. You know they go away.
No man. I think so man. Looks are deceiving more than one nice girl.
That's true. So, you know why you get it twisted me a judge your man, but you know I'm just see him pass and a school. I just say, he really man just know me. No, he don't say how person me a come see, but I see him just say me a pass by and say me a come girl could link and see.
I want nice girls too man, so no make her looks fool you.
I never try with that thing because up the road I go see me can get a piece of food and you see me so.
Yeah,
me see you later.
Alright, look more.
Yeah man.
Hey, why you're dangerous? Why you dealing with them girl I'm so tough? Oh no. Hey, I see you sting like a bee, but you flow like a butterfly. First part relationship, I used to tell myself that there couldn't be a better guy. Now I'm about to take a flight. I'm so
Good morning, Crystal.
Good morning.
You know, I don't usually meet persons outside of the office, but you sounded very worried on the phone. What is going on?
Me can't bother, me tired of him. Like, me can't go nowhere. He just locked me down in the house. The last time me come to your office, he feel like say, he might follow me. Like, he might watch me or something. See a young girl, me no fear go through so much.
Alright. Okay, hear what? Where you think he is now? He's gone to work? He's...
Even if he gonna work, he said people will look for me, pay them. That's how bad it is.
Alright, here's what you're gonna have to do. I'm gonna give you the number for a women's center, and you're gonna give them a call, and they'll put you somewhere to stay for a couple of days or something. But you have to pack up your things and you have to leave when he's not there. I'll come and pick you up. We'll rent a car or rent a taxi, and I'll come and pick you up so you can get out of the lane safe. We're gonna make sure we get through this, alright?
much joke thing this? How can I pack up thing I go on here, sir?
It done. It over. Just done with this.
Me no comprehend them words there, no. Cause I'm me say when this done, you know. And right now, me I say you need to put down the bag over one
Listen,
corner.
man.
You need to put down the bag there.
So
right now.
We are trying.
Right now, a badness, a badness.
What you do?
A badness. Give me the bag, yeah. Give me. A badness.
Done, man.
Okay, a badness, yeah, push. Okay. Since a badness, yeah, push, yeah. Since a badness, yeah, push. One pack. Yo, bad bro. Me want you and bad dog come lick me down in my yard right now. The boy in my place after me take him up, you know, and spend all kind of money on him, you know, buy him clothes and shoes and thing. Right now, boy, disrespect me. I tell me say fine woman, and I left him one if he left me.
Yo, sis. Everything done. Me go send bad dog with can go and granny go put him on him granny tree, you know. He make him look like a stress. Cause you know, when man stress, they hang themselves.
Alright.
You see, next time don't take up no man and mind them. I know so we grow you.
So me I feel love you, you know, my brother. You always take care of me, so give thanks. Give thanks, bad dog. Right now, me I go in there and give him to kick and spit on him, you know.
So, how you have to kick that man? Why can you kick him when he's alive?
Dead or alive, him I get kicked. Right now.
I'm not telling for my family them.
Good evening. Thank you for tuning in to Jamaican TV. I am Tracy Blair, and these are our news and reviews. There was a march today in downtown Kingston with multiple women carrying banners with the words, "End violence against women." This is stemming from numerous attacks and deaths of women in Jamaica. Recently, Kenise West was brutally murdered by her male companion who took her to and from work. Her death has left her family and all of Jamaica in mourning. We are appealing to the men in Jamaica and in the rest of the world to end the violence against our women. On the 6th of April, a man was found hanging in his grandmother's backyard. When the family was questioned, the news team got the information that the man was experiencing distress and contemplated suicide before his untimely demise. The gentleman was identified as Mr. Michael Blacks of Negril, Westmoreland. And now for our feedback question. Do you think that the given curfew measures by our Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, is effective? Thank you again for tuning in. I am your host, Tracy Blair. Have a blessed evening.
That every man wants to know Ellen powder off when them really get to know your young girl, you dangerous. Why you deal with eyes so rough? Girl, you're dangerous. God, girl, you're too dangerous. I give love and you gave hate in return. Next time I breathe a pretty girl, at least my lesson I will learn. Pretty face with
Why
the
pray now,
devil.
sis?
You know some day I go and hold it off bad, bro. But I want to go on with your case.
You know, say police might try hard for sink eye.
Boy. No, you know make that happen in a bad, bro. So, we just have to go and keep the things silent and watch how you're walking on the streets, bro.
No, but it look like it's I are the only bad man in a Jamaica. Make them up on my case. Me can't even step out of my doorway.
You say every corner is a police that are watching, man. But here what? We smarter than them. So, whoever 10 steps ahead of them. So, 2 twos, this are sort out, man. Just go on with it off.
Yeah, man. But yeah, no, sister. I don't want to keep up the time when I come here. I want crime figure mash. So, if anything, one phone call ahead.
Me call upon you, bad bro. Walk safe.
Yeah, look at this.
Tori!
Tori. What go on, Biba?
What?
There, no. Long time.
What go on?
Hi.
You want to follow back at me?
I'm coming now. I'm coming, man. Long time I don't see you, my sister. What go on?
There, my girl.
Mm.
I'll show you a pre.
Is a
I'll tell you a pre.
Babe, I go to the car so I come back, yeah?
Alright, do it. You know, so I get a dream. Brother come to me in a dream say, "Oh no, kill him."
My ex. Your brother, you say you have a dream, bro.
Yeah,
Say I
he
won't
come
kill
to
him.
me in my sleep. I'm going to wake up same time. Couldn't go back to sleep. You know.
I like how that the dream they sound. Sound like your brother try to trick you, you know. That's what it sound to me, because you don't know what go on, we know what
Ask
go
my
on.
boyfriend, I get up in the house from about 3 o'clock and can't go back to sleep. You see me? And them they have vision.
I don't understand how you come bring this to me when we all know what go on. Your brother kill himself. Your brother did stress out and him kill himself.
Nothing like that, man. Nothing like that.
I don't
He
think
come to me in my sleep, you know.
So what Uno did there? This is my man, you know. I did my man and I did love so much. When me and him live together, him man did stress out. Me I tell you, the man stress out to the point where not even me him a chat to. And then he go out and the man kill himself. And he come here and tell me about dream. No, sir, I disrespect that.
So no matter about no stress and heart and comfort over here, you know. Uno kill off him man and this now go so. You see me?
Yeah, we have to go come out of my place right now.
And I can't do to it well enough any so and it now go so. You see me?
Alright, yes, it's any now. I have to come out of my place right
Me
now.
come out, you know, but remember me tell you say now go say you know somebody I could dead back you know.
Dead back?
You see me?
Hey, your brother kill himself, you
My
know.
brother kill himself.
But if a badness you know push,
No push no
don't
body
have
but
him
me
badness. Me are the best thing what happened to your brother. When me meet him, me wall out and turn on back on him. And then me pick him up and make him look how him look. Make sure say him look good and stay good and everything. And now you can accuse me of killing him. Go on, come out of my place.
Me now come out till me get the truth, you know. So I want to see how this I go with there, you know. I want
Only
to see how
truth
this I
here,
go with there, you know.
and your brother kill yourself.
My brother
I have to go. Come out.
Yes, Farras, thanks to me to on such short notice, my boss. We have one serious matter for you to deal with.
Yeah, man.
I never follow up all the details, but my girlfriend will know, so. And just give me a rundown of what happened.
Where's the real go on, mommy?
You know, say what one there again. Just want you take care of one little matter for me, you see me?
What
You
kind of
see me?
matter?
When you go in for a girl for me, not like I tell you what you think. When you go in for a girl now undercover way for me, just to find out the truth. How I go and see me. She my brother there ling, my brother drop out. But we might tell say she do it. You see me, because I want to rough tuggy girl, so you have to even be careful too. You see me? So you want you do. When you go in as in into local business with her.
You talk about things a while ago, I don't understand what you say. Are you general?
Yeah, so probably shake up because of everything that happened, but you can't get a little rundown of what happened. So, for your brother girlfriend, right? We suspect. See, we have serious evidence, but I guess that's not important to you. You see me? And money is not a problem. I have to understand, so money is not a problem. So, whatever you charge, pay the money. I want to go in and find out the truth. What I want more than anything is a confession. Understand? Because we know say she do it money. We don't know what kind of strategy you use to go and go the way you do. Alright? So we have, and then she even get one dream. As a matter of fact, tell her. How do you go up there now? We go up there.
Tell him. Tell him.
Tell him.
Oh, so I go up there and go link her. See me and I say to her, say, you see me get a dream, my brother come to me. A dream and she say Ray and she start even push badness to me.
So the whole, me I get pizza piece and a match up it. So alright then, where you say your brother, girlfriend kill your brother, right? and you want me there with the girl, right? And you want me there with the girl, forget the confession with her.
Yeah, General, as soon as you get in a relationship and you have the house under control, my profession have to plan the bug them in the place. So as soon as I get control of the house, I can come in and wire up the place so we can get all the record and what am I say, alright? So, yeah man.
Alright, that's easy man. So we'll just step forward with it. You know what I mean? Because it's a very tricky situation, you know, because people always tend to say I demand the most of the killing, but some of the time the woman is dangerous too, you know.
Take it for granted. Good man, not getting what you wanted. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. In this crazy world, no things are gone. You keep on getting hurt and keep holding on. But them things you are gone.
Hello, good day.
Hello.
I deliver some things to some people in here, so I don't know what part the person live because me just not good with the information. You know what I mean? So them some house on the lane, none of umbrellas coming from the Cashback lane and take the red right turn, you know. So I end up here so I ask if you know Susan, the short, brown girl.
Susan used to live here, but she doesn't live here anymore. Is there anything I can help you with?
Well, but that's what I know say a right place me still. But apart from that, why you not do so much work?
I mean, one live here and me want to pull it out.
So why you alone here?
No, I have a boyfriend right now, you know?
I don't believe that.
Looking in a way.
You don't
So
believe
they
that? You look too nice now, no man though.
No, I'm the man right now, honestly.
Why can I no man?
Single by choice, right person just not come along yet.
So you have an idea what the right person I look like? Me look like me?
But like a nice little Rasta vibe still in a butt. I'll take a little more than a sweet talking for get in your sign.
But it's kind of dangerous. I don't really like pretty girl, you know. Because pretty girl get a problem, you know what I mean?
A long time I'm not going nowhere. It's nice. We have to do this more often.
Yeah, the energy is nice, the day feel nice, you know? If we do this more often, it's nice. Because we not really see much. What?
Girl, it's just because me have fully for work. You know how it go.
I wish me did know how it go. I kind of stress out about that a little bit. Nothing much not really go on. I'm would want if we can talk about that, you know? So if we link up more often.
We're gonna do it, man. We're definitely gonna do it. We have to enjoy ourselves. We're young, you know.
Oh.
You know how long the coach reach?
Go half an hour. So this far. Go and look out.
Why you tell me I call the phone?
Oh, go on, babes.
What you do tell me look how long me I call the phone?
The phone dead.
Eh?
The phone dead, man. From
My girl, come go here.
Wait, no, you can't drag me just like that. You know, see me out here with my friend. I'm anything this.
My girl, straight at this.
Am I friend you talking
Give me a tell her.
Come to girl.
Come.
Here, son. Come.
Really,
Wait, we'll call you later.
Set. You know, say me not like when I call the phone and you don't answer.
Come on, you know how charge thing go already. Me tell you this.
Yo, just stop ramping me now, my girl.
When
Stop ramping me now.
you talk about it, I don't feel the same. I heard the people that want to come.
You think me not on joke thing?
Me not joke.
When me a call the phone, don't make it even ring. Bro, I don't answer.
But the
Yeah, me tell you.
the phone never ring on at all. The phone never ring on at all, and you know.
My girl, come.
Hello, baby, what's up?
What going, babes? So which way you there now?
Yeah, so I remember them going to deliver some items, some people. The other lady had to deliver some furniture, something I know.
That doesn't sound too bad still, but you made it want to say right now. Wait, so who that in your background for you?
And the person who had to deliver the thing for,
So we can have the conversation and then you go back to she, why she in your background up so?
No, I'm not deliver for her, but you have a thing what you call it. Yeah. Oh, I feel nice. Listen, this one.
What if I feel nice? What did... Alright.
I still not deliver.
Anything I say, Fire? Anything I say? How I really just want? What? Me and him have to have a chat right now.
Yeah, Shan. What? Everything alright? Remember, our conversation kind of get cut earlier, so you alright though? Yeah, man, you always I say you're good. As long as it's okay though. Alright. But what me really call about still is the boy Fire. You see, after you gone, me call him, you know, and I ask him which part him there, cause me want to see him. And me I hear him say I do some deliveries. Say I work and I drop off some things. But then me hear a woman in the background. She won't stop talk. Every minute as him talk, me I hear she say something. And then me hear she say something like, how it tough and how it feel good. So like she say, how him so tough. But me know say there's possibly an explanation, yes. But me never like how that sound, none at all. Right now I'm mad, you know. Mad, Shan. I machete me having in my hand right now and wait for him. Right now. Yes, sometimes me get a little upset, but me never like how that sound. Alright. May I listen to you this one time? Maybe there's a... Yes, may I make him explain himself? May I make him explain himself before me do anything rash? Alright, may I go calm down? Alright, me call him back later. Come in, Fire.
Sorry, baby.
Come in.
The door locked.
That's why you have to bring a key in a Fire.
No, I'm up on the work phone.
So I'm going to tell you, made it kind of there a wet one still.
Yeah, you cut them.
I don't want to talk about that phone call that happened today. Never too like how it go down still now. Cause me I call you and we a talk, but then me I hear somebody up in your background. What was that about?
We are deliver some things for a female, for a sister, and when the carry thing go to the doorway, you know, she have to open the door. Because it's a big door and the thing we're carrying heavy. So she have to open the door. One of me use and hold the thing and answer the phone same time. Just because of you. If the boss call me, I don't answer.
Yeah, so she did that close to you.
Yeah, because she open the door, I go through the door because I have to hold the door because the door swing. You know what I mean?
So you should have said tough or the thing.
So, don't, what you talk about? Because I talk to you today, I tell you, me I do some work. I'm saying up the phone, but I understand why you hang up the phone. That's why I don't get me in call the box still.
First of all, Fire, may I talk to you on the phone and may I hear somebody up in the background.
No, because you know, somebody else make something go, so them in the house might open the door because I'm carrying something. So you know, yeah, if somebody carry something in the house, you know, open the door for them.
So how you do all of that plus answer phone?
No, because I hold the banana and me alone work. One me work on the truck. And me alone work.
Alright, may I hear what you say?
And me alone work, I'm not for work. I'm there company, we can never come company today. You couldn't come.
We did have to link up with Shan. Remember, a long time me and Shan link up. And that was very important.
Yeah, but that would have good if I see it today, I could have on the road today.
I should have company work still and we will do that tomorrow or next day soon. But we did have to link up with her. And you know, I have something to tell about that though too. Me and her did after we go a little shopping and then at the beach park, we have a little walk and sit down. Everything nice. Our boyfriend walk up and him just walk up with this aggression, no greetings, nothing, and just ask her how him not get to her, and she say her phone dead, and him basically just haul her up, you know. And instead of him trying to talk to her about the situation, him just basically pick her up and drag her out. Me not like how that look at all either. So that did up on my mind too. Me call her before and she said she alright still, so that's for them business.
But always have to say still a friend, but she make her choice, you know. And she choose the guy who she want deal with, you know. So find a fair choice that.
That's for them business still, as you say.
So I just say there now. First you go do, you cook now.
Me I go mash down some yam and some banana and some bean stew, and the 2 we can match that up in the night.
Alright, so.
What you say about that?
Yeah, man, because I kind of tell you, so them beat me out to the bad, because I want something to move to the normal.
Well?
Plus the sun went well hot to you see.
As long as you say I saw it go, then I saw it go, you know.
Yeah, man, I saw it go, man. Then I worry yourself about nothing, you see it?
Well, as long as you explain yourself still, that's the main thing.
Alright, so.
You have to explain yourself to me.
Come on for the 12, so I will a shower. You can drive in the shower?
Probably make me feel like it. I go match up the food right now. First thing still, so.
Alright, I'll get myself ready. Yeah, man, cook some food then. I will a shower.
May do that.
Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning, Miss Shan.
How are you today?
It's a long story.
We just talk about it.
We don't even know how to start.
Take off the attire, let me see.
It's not a good look at all. You sure?
Yes, let me see. Oh my gosh, Kelly. What happened?
It's like I tell myself to do something and we just never attend to it at the moment because I have my hair to do and stuff, and just because I just go next door I go do my hair, leave it finish. I go over and just start beaming constantly.
This has happened before? Why are you staying in a relationship like this?
No matter how I try to leave, you always find me.
Have you ever tried contacting the police?
Many times. But he have links in the police force, and to top it off, to make matters even worse, he's a cheater. It's like he want us, he just carrying random girls
And as they squeeze their head, their foot fly up in like clothespin, and if you just sit there and watch that, and we must wash, cook and clean every day, and then he beats me constantly. Just can't take it no more.
Alright, it's alright. Let me get you some water to come.
Alright, cut.
We just don't know what else to do. Honestly. Try to find a solution, and that's why I'm here. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what else to do. And the funniest part is, I don't even know why I love him so much. That's why I'm still there. I fight it through. You understand? But I ask God plenty of times to just help me out of all of this. And all I can do is just cry. You know?
But you know, this is not what love is. I think something happened that triggered this behavior in him. Or do you think he was like this all along?
It wasn't. It's like at the first time everything was okay. And all of a sudden, since he changed, like he was doing plumbing work and then left from that, I guess. Not doing anything at home at the moment. And there came the problem. That was everything happened.
Okay. Okay. You see, a lot of the times we feel like we have no choice or there's nothing else that we can do. But there's always someone who can help us. There's always something that we can do. I'm gonna give you the number for the women's shelter in Jamaica. They provide assistance to women who are being raped, women in domestic crisis, who are being sexually harassed at work, women who are being human trafficked, and their children, women and their children on a home. You can contact them and they'll assist you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You don't even know what you have done for me right now.
If it is that you don't want to go to the women's center, there are other things that we can do. This is...
Come here.
That's one coming.
No.
I'm coming. Can only give me a minute.
Okay.
I'll be right back. In the middle of my session, what that for?
What should I do here?
Me I work from home now. Me tell us that the office I renovate, so in the meantime, me gotta work from here, so.
Sean, tell us something on a body at my place, right? Get her out of the place. Get her out here now.
Alton, I work, and you not do nothing to pay the bills, them, you know. And me are the one who do everything here, so. And you gonna tell myself to take her out of my house?
Get her out of the place now on a ramp.
Alright.
Get her out now.
Alright. Kelani, I'm so sorry about that, but we're gonna have to pick up the session next week, alright?
Okay.
Come on, and don't worry about it. Remember, we're women and we're beautiful and we're strong. Okay. We can get through all of it. Alright, and I'm so glad that you came to me to talk. We'll definitely pick it up again next week.
Right.
Alright, Kelly. So next week.
Yeah. Yeah, man, it tastes good, man. Yeah, man. No, I'm gonna say her yet, you know. But she could have soon forward on us still, so I'm there go all the time said speech till she reach in, you know. I'll tell her later that you say hi, you know what I mean? Alright, man. Alright.
I'll fall asleep. Babes, fire, wake up there. It's so late. I even did get to call you from earlier. Everything happened so fast. I even did get to tell you what happened. What? You alright?
But I'm gonna come on for the work same speed still. I'm gonna come home, man. I forgot to say the summer still, because we try to ring the phone and realize so you not go through, so, you know. I'm there all the time. But because something I feel said speed said, you know.
Thank you so much for your food, because I'm so hungry. Up on the road all day. I didn't even get to grab a bite. So, thank you. Steamed fish and thing.
How you gonna be able to?
Today, Sean called me quick and fast and say police call her and say her sister they in a lockup. She fi come bail her. So, and I tell me I get the recipe from.
No, my sister cook. I'm tell her say yo. I plan to cook today because I come off the road late, so I start then.
Which is that? You must mean Jai.
No, I'm not Jai, Jais.
Jais.
You know, you have a little problem. I think I know over that by now, because I'm not big people now. For look at something that I've done it a long time, you know what I mean?
Sean! Jesse, come. Come in, the door open.
Open, girl.
There. What going?
There, me and Barry at the same night car. So we are going to club. Me come ask if you come. You come?
Girl, me just there. Even be a date. From me come in, me just want to think about some things that I have today, you know?
No, you look so.
I'm just there, I think, man.
I think, come on.
Me have whole heap of things for my mind and I have whole heap of work on my plate, you know? Just I think. Mine, man.
Work and you look out of Wonderland. You sure I work?
I work, man. What do you mean?
Sure you not hide something from me, Sean?
Like what, so I'm gonna hide from you? I'm not hiding
This is not you, my sister. You never change, you not beard, no. This is not you. Something wrong. What you there worry about? Sean, look for me. Tell me, what go on?
Nothing not go on, what you mean?
You sure not something I hide?
Something like what?
I know. I know sometimes I hear people not so up. If I lick you, if you talk to me, you know.
What do you mean by a lick, girl? Not a man look like he can crush ants much like
crush ants. My time we take them lightly or fat for no. But if I'm not saying, but this is not you, you're my sister, I know you. Come on.
Are you what the therapist are me? Me say him nah lick me. Him nah lick me. Nothing like that now go on here so.
You see, if him a lick you, more than want you to ball out. When I mean ball out, more you to ball out. You know you live around people, me don't want you keep nothing. Me don't want him to lick you. And you do like say, if you ball out, him go ball out so somebody can help you.
He not lick me, man. He might be a little rough sometimes, but he not lick me. We're good. We're alright.
So you go bathe and thing?
Yeah, man, we go bathe and eat some food.
You don't eat yet? Something wrong.
Everything good. Everything nice.
Me and Barry I go on the club, so you know, so we have to go get the local groove thing on, so.
Alright, enjoy yourself.
Yeah, and remember me tell you, you know. Remember me tell you. Ball out. What me say if you do? What me say if you do?
We don't need to ball out.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
See, advice where you look at giant sister give you try to rub that out of your mind. You hear me tell you?
What kind of advice?
You see, why you think me not hear when you look at giant sister and you chat say?
What we in
But
here
ball
to
out,
say?
ball out, ball out.
Alton, big and serious now. I've been a therapist for a good while now, couple of years, and I've been giving people advice. And you're not my daddy, you know, you're not supposed to be hitting me.
What? Yo, come in our room.
No, I'm not coming in no room. I sleep right here so tonight.
My girl, stop with the foolishness and come in our room. No. Well, you want me to jog you in there? I jog you want me to jog you by your foot in our room? Here? Let go. Let go. Let go. Yo, stop.
You guys sit down, babe. I'm not gonna sleep, yeah, man.
I'm not sleeping time right now, fire. Want a
After you just stopped me a while ago, you really want something?
Me just hurt you a while ago.
A while ago when I stopped you, you know, you could have stopped something different.
But me didn't know me I aim. Me didn't know me I aim, so no more I feel love you.
Oh yes, you just stopped me in a smile, so.
Because it's time for this now, fire. Time for this. Remember say, what if you use this in a camera ready for no picnic yet, but a time for love. Come on. Look fire. Might just hurt you.
You just stabbed me a while ago and really. I think about sex.
Because you come give me food from your sister, you know how that go. You know how that goes. So make it too old forget about that. And just make a little love right now.
Hello?
Good evening. This is Constable Lawrence from the Barton Police Station. Am I speaking with a Shan?
Yes, this is her.
Right. Are you familiar with a Jessie Allison?
Yes.
Right. We have her here at the station in custody for assault, and they're asking you to visit the station so you can bail her. She gave you as a contact, so we're asking you to, as a matter of fact, on your way here, because you know the station is some...
Which station?
Is off the grid in some sense. So you can stop at whatever...
Which station should I... What station?
Are you hearing me?
Whatever station is convenient to me. What happened?
Yes,
What she
you
do?
can get a bail as form because you need documentation.
What she do? What happened? Give me some more information, officer.
So she has been involved in some assault, right? And you're trying to get bail for her.
Assault. Alright, so if we just go at any station and...
So you can visit any station, but you will have to come here because here is where she is. So
where is here? Where is here?
Bail at form so you can bail her, right?
Where is here? What station is she at?
As I would have mentioned before, the Barton Police Station. I'm Constable Clark from the Barton Police Station.
Barton. Barton in a Montego Bay?
That's right, ma'am.
Alright. I'm coming down there right now.
Alright, very well.
Alright.
Thank you for your time.
Alright. Tori, you have to go follow me to Montego Bay. right now just to get locked up down my station.
Alright.
Sean! 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 Sean!
Babes, come on again. Come. I'm tired, man. Come on. Come where I am.
Come tell me what happened now. How comes you reach all the way to Barrytown?
It's like I just an instinct and tell me it's something not right. Because you know like when something gonna happen, this feeling just there over you. You know? It's like about 15 minutes after me get a call. So Barry there up at Barrytown. With girl, you know? With girl. Then if you up there with girl, where me for?
You know, say the woman was a police woman. You know, say a whole heap of strings me have pull to get it out a while ago. So quick too.
Why, sister?
Me tired of do this, man. How much time now me have to come bail it out from jail here so and over there so?
Why, sister, me tired of it to them a little couple time I'm going in and nice and all it they want lick me, you know. And lick they want to lick me, you know, me never for sure I want police, woman. But as I say, me never know because I come close steer up. Me and I depend one piece of fighting, you know. I never know so I want police, woman. But anyway, sure me have to defend my mind, come on, man.
So you don't know what go on, you just get a call here, say you my woman up there, you gone up there in a war with police woman.
Obviously when me reach at the position of me see them in I'm gonna have to fight. Me not say me right for do what me do, you know. But you know sometimes some things unexpected way you never did that think. You understand? So right now me I tell you the truth, me don't even know. Me just regret everything and I feel I put it through them something me assist. I swear.
Because I know you maybe have a fear when a problem and you have fearing up and none back on me or something.
It's alright, we work it out.
So sis, and where you finding the big top shot friend from?
No worry yourself about it, man.
Jesus
Don't worry about
Christ.
it, no man.
Yeah, you have legs, you know?
Come here.
They come. Listen, come. Babe.
You know, you may tell us if I don't want nobody on my eye. Eh? No, come back out.
Sis.
So I did say no, sis. Me say.
Hear what happened? We have to talk about it tomorrow. When you get some money and you go stay in one of them hotel up there, so.
Awa.
It's alright, man. We talk about it. We talk about all that tomorrow, but
So me not
you go and go stay down at the hotel tonight. You know, you remember say me and my man a try make a baby, you know, so.
Sure.
So
of course, mommy, niece and nephew, sure.
Say we go and go stay down at the hotel and a man and me come check you and we
Well,
talk
I kind
about
of
it.
feel stressed though. I really want to talk to you. Look at it.
Well, I guess we talk about it, man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry about it. Come on. Get him. Alright, so tomorrow we talk about it.
Thanks, sis.
Alright.
You'll call them a reach up.
Alright, make sure. What happened?
Didn't I tell you that me no want nobody on me yard them at time of night, yeah?
But I don't fear yard, babes. I feel yard.
Whether or not fear yard or for me yard. Didn't I tell you that me no want nobody at our yard?
But I'm my sister. And she just get arrested. You know where she go through, you know where she come from. I think she could have come and sleep on the couch at least. We have one big couch here, so nobody not sleep on it.
But you're not even have a common courtesy if you call me today before you go where you go. And look at the time of night where you're coming in the place.
You know how I go with my phone. My battery dead. My battery dead.
Your
I
life
couldn't
is,
call you.
your life is me upset? And you're not even have a common courtesy if you call me before you go up on the road. You're gone all the way to Montego Bay.
What else me did for do? The phone dead. The phone dead.
Shan, you could have get somebody phone and call me and make me know what's up. You have me here like some little boy. You think me a little boy?
I don't like borrow people phone. Come on. I left you a note. You never read the note. I
So,
left you a
Shan,
note and make you know
Shan.
something I got my bay.
Shan, don't make this up now again. You want me to tell her?
The problem I have now is the female. I think it was a simple case. But I pull a stun on her and the girl stabbed my foot before me even realize say she go stab me. Because I pull a stun on her beside then. Make somebody call her on her phone. Like I'm a sister. And then cuss her off and tap her to show she's not sister in a deal. Then my next somebody I call her as a good sister. So I pull somebody I try to play with her meditation. And she not like the sister, she not like one of the sisters. So I say, alright, we should cook some food and tell her that the sister cook the food when she come. And when she don't eat, me tell her that, bam, me stab my foot.
Me did tell you still, you know. Me did tell you say I want a rough girl still, you know.
The investigation I go on good, but I received 1 and 2 injury.
Yeah.
So with them injury there, I think you go put on the bill.
Don't worry yourself, man. We have everything covered, man.
Yeah, man, so
Tell
you and your boyfriend can sit down about it and I probably think upon it, with 10% more upon it.
Pass me a parcel lane and decide to I come look for you and Jessie. So, how come I not see her?
She's not there, you know. You know, so she stayed at one hotel last night. Pass the phone, give me a call.
Hotel? Hotel you put her over now?
Yeah, I couldn't make you sleep on the couch. After she just come out of prison, she have to get a nice comfortable bed, man.
Okay.
Think you're a
Alright.
call. I see what she do because she's supposed to come down. What go on, sis?
Nothing there. What?
How you sleep last night?
Girl, my dad left from this place. So the place just dirty and much. I can't believe I really want to tell this to you.
Alright.
I'm going to pay my money.
Alright, may I come for you, man. May I come for you. And I carry some clothes for you. You can't have nothing to wear either.
Not even clothes.
Alright. Me soon come for you, man. I may put you up somewhere better tonight.
The people them nasty. God almighty.
May I come for you, man? May I come for you, you know?
Alright.
So, what kind of place you really put up your sister in? So, make you say better to the hotel?
Me know some never go down there with her. I just give her the money and tell her so she can go on one hotel to stay. You know, she know a place and at first she come down here. I never mean select a hotel for her. Me put her up somewhere nicer tonight, man. Me make sure so she gets somewhere nice to stay.
Really and truly, you should not stay with, you know, really and truly. But
where she gonna stay with me?
No, right here, sir. She can
On
go
the
and
couch.
stay here, sir. What wrong with that?
Girl, I'm gonna stay there with her. My sister have to get somewhere nice to sleep.
She never get somewhere nice last night, though. But alright. Anyways, may I come go home now?
Before you left, tell me what you think about this shirt. What do you think about this? You think that this can fit her?
It look like a small still, but it look nice. The pink nice.
She might look big, but she's small.
As long
She
as
look
it can
sexy.
fit. If it can fit, it look nice, man.
Alright. So me catch you later then, cause me gonna look for her.
Alright, and we have some things I want to do at home, so me link you later. Alright? See you.
You know, fix it. That's it. John, no sis. How are you?
Yeah, I did it.
You come Bluetooth mode. How are you? Yeah, yo, the man just turn up and look at me. How are you, sir? You know, my sister house.
Yeah, man, I'm a woman, man. I'm not there now, man. Tell me if you're brother, I don't know how she talk still. You see it?
Alright. I only hope you take care of her, you know. Because you see me, you know, me not come down, so.
I want a good girl, man. I take care of her, you know.
Me, I go down on the road. So you said my sister come to and somebody pass through.
I know you say what
Me say I go down the road.
Yeah.
So when my sister come, tell her I say I did pass through.
Yeah, man, I see him do maximum.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Go on it.
So it's like going down to now, sis?
Man, through the money nice enough, you know, so we can't rent or tell them the money there.
So which part you go?
One of them dugu shop, the one of them sex shop. And it come like one of the worst thing, girl, because you know, even though it's a sex shop, it's supposed to be decent, girl. It was a mess. A BSC men and something up on the bed. Like every night, then the people that do it. You see on the bed? Jesus Christ, you better me bunks back of your yard on the floor. The bed gone in a hole.
You want something to eat?
Yeah, girl, because right now me are going last night. I didn't get nothing to buy if you eat some. Right now my belly there and my child.
I'm going to make you some breakfast.
Alright.
Come here.
I come. You soon come, sis.
Alright. You alright, sis?
Yes, sis. May I come?
You sure?
May I come, sis? May I come?
Where food there?
I think I food I say you deal with for me. You know, so my name about the food. May I go get him? May I get him? May I go get him? They say hungry man is a hungry man, you know.
Bunny down to the ground. The char bro thing, Jammy Wood. It's Curious King, you know what I mean? Talk to them, baby.
You're the type of boy that every girl wants to meet. But what the hell I'm for the house when you start with them in the streets? My youth, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl I'm so rough? Oh no. Hey, why you're dangerous? Why you dealing with them girl I'm so tough? Oh no. Hey, I see you sting like a bee, but you flow like a butterfly. First part relationship, I used to tell myself that there couldn't be a better guy. Now I'm about to take a flight. I'm so tired of the sleepless night. Now everything start come to light. Instead of love me right now, you want to fight. Young boy, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl I'm so rough? No. Hey.
You're the type of girl that every man wants to know. Ellen powder out when them really get to know you. Young girl, you dangerous. Why you deal with eyes so rough? Girl, you're dangerous. Girl, you're too dangerous. I give love and you gave hate in return. Next time I breathe a pretty girl, at least my lesson I will learn. Pretty face with the devilish mentality. I'm telling you, it's like it's a fatality. I can't breathe. Look like you're working with the devil. You're not on the king level. But you're the type of girl that every man wants to know. But Ellen powder out when them really get to know you. Young girl, you dangerous.
Yo, sir.
Yo.
How are they?
No, me even know dog.
How long are they, son?
Right now, me even know dog. Right now, a little charming girl hold me and take me dog. Fall in love with the beauty in the beast.
Yo, pretty girl, then I had one place a while ago, and I'm not reason to wake up and say, oh.
Right now, you come and say, yo, right now, me think me know the girl there, dog. She jumped me off and make me there as a twin, dog. Right now, me are frost out right now.
You got damn food there, though?
Yes, yeah, I'm play look marga down right now. Put some more dog on him.
Why you deal with eyes so rough? Young girl, you dangerous. You're the type of girl that every man wants to know. Ellen powder house when them truly get to know you. Young girl, you dangerous. Oh no, you ain't no joke. Smile with me on the cut my throat. No, mommy want me long time ago. Don't let pretty faces lead you to sorrow. Oh no.
Alright, if you are here for the first time, remember to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys can be notified when we upload brand new content. We are at 50,000 subscribers and I want to say thank you to everybody that has been following the channel and have been supporting us. Alright, so a quick notification for you guys. This video that you're about to watch, we have two parts, part 1 and part 2. We're going to put part 1 on Richard Brown Films and part 2 will be put on our brand new channel, Jammy Wood. Now you're going to want to watch the entire film, so you have to head over to that channel and watch the entire video. Alright, Also, when you head over there, please, we want to make sure that channel start booming right away. So remember, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content. We'll be uploading content on Richard Brown Films and we'll be uploading content on Jamiewood. All right, bless upon yourself and thank you very much.
Blessed again. So yeah, this a movie and now it's different. So, but we have to make people them know. So watch out. No violence against woman. No violence overall. You know what I mean? Just done violence overall, but no violence against woman, no violence against man. Let's try to get some good relationship. You know what I mean? The relationship is a very touchy topic because there's a lot of fight in relationship that lead to different stuff. You know what I mean? So when you have a relationship, don't allow friends in your relationship to tell you what to do. That can pose a problem because some friend bad mind and they make because of that your man a problem and then something bad comes. So just try to communicate more with who are you in a relationship because that's how a relationship should go. You know what I mean? But if in our relationship is abusive, get yourself out of it. If you can't manage it because it will lead to nothing but destruction. You know what I mean? So no violence. And man and woman, just try live loving. You know what I mean? And just try find a common ground. If you're there with somebody and really love them, leave them. You know what I mean? But then go and go do something for themselves and find somebody to love them. You know what I mean? Because the world needs more love. And the youth them need to grow in a more love and harmony where there's enough communication. Burn down to the ground. Thank you for watching. Big up Taz and Franco and Damien. Big up yourself as usual. Foundation, donate. When a man donate, man, give us strength. So give thanks to that. You know what I mean? From that time to this time. So big up yourself, Bridge. Memories all the while still. So him know we part the future. I go with the thing we have in mind. You know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching. Keep on supporting the movements, go forward. Big up to everybody. All the people that donate from that time till this time. I don't remember body name, that's the problem. I don't remember body name. There's a long list of people that donate. So big up yourself, you know yourself. And we look forward for more communication. So when you communicate more, your name is just remember your name more faster. Because you remember bag of people. You see it? Big up Chin. Miss Chin, if I the right name that, you know, big up herself. She have a unique ear castle. You know what I mean? You can check out our website. You know what I mean? People who love the lace wig thing, you can check out. She get the finest thing them, you know what I mean? So burn it down to the ground. As we push forward, big up my bike taxi cousin. Burn it down. Yeah man, if they're Negril, right, you have to carry across the place, you can know the place some long time, a good youth. Burn down to the ground. That's how we do it, you know, man. Live and live in color.